Should we automate away all the jobs, including the fulfilling ones? Should we allow AI machines to flood the internet with propaganda and fake news? Should we develop non-human minds smarter than our own?
Nearly half a century has passed since the first personal computer was invented. And look at us where we are going. With the advent of artificial intelligence as a species, humanity has seen 3 industrial revolutions before. First, steam/water power, followed by electricity, and then computers. Today, we are in the middle of the 4th industrial revolution driven by artificial intelligence. So let's analyze the biggest revolution in human history, AI. AI's future is a rapidly evolving landscape, as current innovations in artificial intelligence are accelerating at such a breakneck pace that it can be difficult to keep up. Indeed, artificial intelligence is shaping the future of humanity in almost every field. It is already a key driver of emerging technologies like big data, robotics, and IoT, aka Internet of Things, not to mention synthetic AI, with tools like ChatGPT and AI art creation tools attracting mainstream attention, and it will continue to operate as a technology innovator for the foreseeable future. AI gives intelligent machines, whether computers, robots, drones, or anything else, the ability to think and act in ways that were previously only available to humans. This means that they can interpret the world around them, absorb and learn information, make decisions based on what they have learned, and then take appropriate action, often without intervention. This ability to learn and act on data is essential to the intelligence revolution, especially considering the vast amounts of data around us today. AI needs so much data to learn and make smart decisions. This gives us an idea of why the intelligence revolution is happening now, but faster than before. Yes, because we have more data than ever before. Almost everything we do online and offline generates data. We now have access to more data than ever before, which allows AI to become smarter, faster, and more accurate quickly. Think about Spotify recommendations. The more podcasts and music you listen to, the more Spotify can suggest other content you like. Of course, Netflix and Amazon's recommendations work on the same principle. Impressive advancements in computing power are making it possible to process and understand all this data. We should mention advances like cloud computing and distributed computing. We can now store, process, and analyze data at an unprecedented scale. Without it, data would have no value. More than 44% of companies are looking to seriously invest in AI and integrate it into their business. And of the 9,130 patents received by IBM inventors in 2021, 2,300 were related to AI. AI has come a long way since 1951, when the first recorded success of an AI computer program was written by Christopher Strachey, whose checkers program completed the entire Ferranti computer game. Since then, AI has been used to develop sequence-sequence RNA and model human speech technologies that rely on algorithms and model-based machine learning and are increasingly focused on cognition, reasoning, and generalization. With innovations like these, AI is back in the spotlight like never before, and it's not letting up anytime soon. So what does this intelligence revolution mean for your business? We can guarantee your business will get smarter. In fact, all businesses will need to become smarter than small ventures to world corporations, from digital businesses to more traditional businesses, whether it's Apple's Siri, Google's Magvit, or Amazon's chatbots. Let's take a seemingly traditional field like agriculture. Agriculture is undergoing enormous changes, with the technology used to intelligently plan which crops to grow, where and when, to maximize harvest, and to operate farms. More effective data and AI can help farmers analyze soil, weather, and crop health. Data is even collected on agricultural equipment to improve machinery maintenance efficiency. Smart machines are being developed to identify and gently pick ripe and soft fruits, sort cucumbers, and detect pests. The image of a traditional rural farm almost belongs to the past. Farms that refuse to grow risk being left behind. The impact of the AI revolution is larger than you think. All industries can develop rapidly. Innovation and change are the new normal. Those who cannot harness AI and data to improve their business, whatever it is, will struggle to stay competitive. So, like every industrial revolution before it, the intelligence revolution will completely change how we do business. For your business, this may mean you need to rethink how you make products and market them, how you deliver services, and your day-to-day business processes. Or maybe even rethink your entire business models. Companies spend billions of dollars on AI products and services each year, as tech giants like Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon spend billions of dollars to create these products and services, as universities make AI a larger part of their programs, and the US Department of Defense is stepping up efforts in games. Big things are bound to happen. With robotic arms and other AI-enabled manufacturing, the industry has adapted well to the power of AI. These industrial robots often work alongside humans to perform a limited number of tasks, such as assembly or stacking, and predictive analytics sensors help keep equipment running smoothly. AI learning, natural language processing, and facial recognition can scan textbooks, detect plagiarism, engage student emotions, to determine whether a student is struggling, who is bored, even. Today and tomorrow, AI tailors learning experiences to students and individual needs. Even journalism is leveraging AI and will continue to benefit from it. An example is the Associated Press's use of automated insights, which generates thousands of annual earnings reports. But as AI writing tools such as ChatGPT entered the market, many questions exist about their use in journalism. In the age of information and data, the potential of AI is huge. Business process automation can reduce stress on internal productivity and reduce reliance on human support while increasing operational cost efficiency. Machine learning allows a company to take a smarter approach and continuously evolve its business model. Businesses must prepare for the wave of the AI revolution to leverage technology to achieve optimal operational efficiency. Simulating human intelligence with machines can provide quick solutions to humanity's problems. AI relies on advanced data analytics and machine learning, meaning it can learn and gain new knowledge while being fed new data. The adaptability property profoundly involves AI's prediction and decision-making capabilities. One of the most popular examples is Gmail's Smart Compose feature, which offers personalized suggestions when users type a phrase. It illustrates how AIs adapt to personal writing patterns and make appropriate suggestions. In the age of information and data, the potential of AI is huge. Machine learning allows a company to take a smarter approach and continuously evolve its business model. Businesses must prepare for the wave of the AI revolution to leverage technology to achieve optimal operational efficiency and to maximize profit. Whether you are an AI fan or not, the intelligence revolution is fast approaching. Technology only moves in one direction, forward, towards an increasingly smarter future. There is no turning back. This doesn't mean we shouldn't consider the impact of AI or work to ensure that AI is used ethically and fairly, in a way that benefits society and the financial bottom line. Of course, we should, but it's important to understand this. Every business owner must accept this reality and take steps to prepare their businesses accordingly. This means identifying how and where AI will make the biggest difference to your business and developing a strong AI strategy to ensure AI delivers maximum value. Many industries go through the eternal winter then spring pattern. Andrew Ng, former head of Google Brain and chief scientist of Baidu, told, "We may be in the eternal spring of AI." Many industries are in the early stages of their AI journey, while others are seasoned travelers. Both have a long way to go. So without the impact of AI, our lives will be hard. The late theoretical physicist Stephen Hawking postulated that if AI itself begins to design AI that is better than human programmers, the results could be machines with intelligence superior to our own. Elon Musk believes and warns that AGI is the greatest existential threat to humanity. Attempts to do so, he said, were tantamount to summoning the devil. He even expressed fear that his friend, Google co-founder Larry Page, might accidentally spawn something evil despite his best intentions. Most AGI researchers expect AGI to appear within a few decades, and if we go into it unprepared, it will probably be the biggest mistake in human history. This could create the conditions of a brutal global dictatorship with unprecedented inequality, surveillance, suffering, and perhaps even human extinction. Tegmark said in his talk, "My TED story, but if we handle things carefully, we can find ourselves in a wonderful future where everyone is better off." Moreover, a super alliance is taking shape to restrict or control the growth of AI, and ChatGPT has just employed 20% of their computational power for this. So what do you think of the rapid growth of AI technologies? Is it going to help humans? Or is it going to make us unemployed? Tell us your concerns via comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and enable the bell icon for more curious content.